Whose chair is this? Kaninong upuan ito? Whose door is this? Kaninong pinto ito? Whose wallet is this? Kaninong pitaka ito? Whose fault is that? Kaninong kasalanan iyon? Tell him whose child she is. Sabihin mo sa kanya kung kaninong anak siya. Whom would you like to go with? Kanino mo gustong sumama? Whose dog bit you? Kaninong aso ang kumagat sa'yo? From whom did you borrow this? Kanino mo ito hiniram? To whom did you sell your car? Kanino mo ibinenta ang kotse mo? From whom did this come from? Kanino nanggaling ito? To whom shall we pay? Kanino kami magbabayad? Whom did you ask about it? Kanino mo itinanong ang tungkol dyan? To whom will you dedicate this song? Kanino mo iaalay ang awit na ito? Whose image is that? Kaninong imahe ba iyan? Whose do you serve? Kanino ka nagsisilbi? To whom did you allot the money you received? Kanino mo inilaan ang perang natanggap mo? To whom did you borrow money? Kanino ka humiram ng pera? To whom will you pass the paper? Kanino mo ipapasa ang papel? To whom is this? Kanino ito? From whom should I borrow this? Kanino ko ito hihiramin? To whom will be the money you save go? Kanino mapupunta ang perang naipon mo? To whom did you ask? Kanino ka nagtanong? Whose friend are you? Kaninong kaibigan ka? To whom are you speaking? Kanino ka nagsasalita? Whose choice is that? Kaninong pagpipilian iyon? Whose idea is this? Kaninong ideya ito?